This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, when I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. So very simple tutorial, guys. If you have bought a new phone, you want to reset to put another Apple ID or sell it to give to somebody else, you can follow this tutorial. So without any further ado, we have to go to setting inside. In setting, you'll see many options here. So you have to go down to general. Here you see general, go inside general. In general, you have to come to bottom to this option. You see transfer or reset iPhone, go inside. In this, you see transfer or reset your iPhone, prepare for a new iPhone, get it started. And the bottom you have reset, erase all content and setting. So we're gonna do erase all content and setting, that is factory reset. If you do normal reset, may not erase everything, so better erase all content and setting. But before that, I recommend please back up your phone, all the data information. If you want to go back, you will have a problem. So back up everything, then come here, erase all content and setting. I click this one. Erase this phone. Erasing will sign out your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this phone can be safely traded, given away. The following item will be safely removed from the iPhone, so my account, every information will disappear in this case. So we'll hit continue button. See, erase phone. You have to put your passcode. Then you have to put the password of your Apple account. So why you have to put password? Enter your Apple account password for this account to turn off Find My activation lock, so anybody can use if you sell them or give them away. So after putting password, hit turn off button. Turn off. So after putting my password of my email account, my Apple account, the phone is restarting now, so we have to wait a little bit. It's almost there. Couple of times you will see Apple logo. One more time. As you can see, guys, after restarting couple of times, the phone comes to welcome screen. So you have to set up your phone as you have done for the first time. If you don't know how to set up your phone, check the video description to set up your phone for the first time. So this is the way you can do a hard factory reset of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.